You're too tired. Keep going. You're too stressed. Keep going. You're uninspired. Keep going. You can't see it happening. Keep going. No matter what the situation, no matter how big the challenge, there's only one answer. Keep going. The only way you can guarantee failure is by quitting. If you never quit, you will never fail. Keep going. You're never going to reach the life you want if you quit. Show some character. Do you have any character left in you? Show it. Dig deeper. Find something deep in that heart of yours. Find that burning desire. What are you doing all this for? Who are you doing all this for? Keep that reason in your...
I'm done with my daily routine, daily workout. Medyo hiningal pa, grabe yung pawis ko. Halos pipigain na. Yan na. So behind the scene, ito po yung aking ginagawa. This is 2 hours of workout. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na consistent talaga yung 2 hours, but I make sure na everyday meron akong physical activity na yung goal ko, which is sa 10,000 steps daily. Yeah. Yes, may mga time na demotivated ka, may mga time na tinatamad ka, pero hindi siya nagmamatter kung talagang gusto mong disiplinahin yung sarili mo. Okay? So pipilitin mo pa rin, buhatin mo yung sarili mong mga paa para magawa mo yung daily routine mo. At least, kahit paano sa buong maghapon, nagiging productive ka, yan kang nagagawa sa sarili mo, no? Sa personal growth mo. Siyempre, damay din dyan yung pamilya mo, kasi bakit? Kapag bumagsak ka, lalo na kung ikaw isang padre de pamilya, pag bumagsak ang kalusugan mo at hindi ka na makapagtrabaho, mahihirapan ka. So paano yung family mo, paano yung mga taong umaasa sa iyo? Kaya kinakailangan alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Okay? So that's it for today. I hope kahit sa ganitong klaseng video lang, hindi man ako professional, hindi ito perfect, pero I believe, no, na somehow kahit paano kapag-inspire tayo ng maraming mga tao. So God bless. This is Coach Santi. See you at the top.